you a topper? Have you ever thought about what it takes to be on the top? Let's break it down. I guess I take this. For someone to score well, they need to study. So in a way, if you did not score well, it means that you did not study. And why don't you study? So first, maybe you don't have the time to study. Or maybe you have the time, but you're not interested in studying. Or maybe you have the time, you are interested, but you don't have enough motivation to start studying. Or maybe you have the time, you are interested, you have the motivation, but you just can't remember what you've studied. And in this video, we're not going to talk about this, not even this, but this. Hey there, if you don't know me already, I'm Sukesh, and I recently graduated 2/3 of year 10 from EBHS, and with a CGPA of Alpha. By the end of the video, I swear, you would be able to study whenever you want, despite the fact that you have the motivation, you don't have the motivation, you have the distraction, you don't have the distraction. It doesn't matter. Just stick with me until the end of the video, and I swear I'll make you a beast. Let's get started, people. So what are our two strategies? Strat 1. So we have no idea on what to study, when to study, and how long to study. So first, we need to get a clarity on these things. Your typical plan should sound something like this. I'm going to solve 40 gravitation questions in 2 hours from Cengage at 2 p.m. after my lunch today. Now look at the statement that you just made. You have the target from where to study, when to study, and how long to study for. And the best part is that you've attached studying with a daily habit that already exists. This method is called habit stacking. So when you attach a new habit with an existing habit, creates an unconscious reminder that makes it easier to establish a desired habit, which in this case is studying. Understood? Now continuing to study for 2-3 more hours is not an easy feat to achieve. That's why we have techniques like the Ultradian sprint, focus sprint, Pomodoro technique, and most importantly, the forest app. Now what makes this app super special, you might ask? Well, it's simple yet effective mission to help users stay focused and be present. Forest trains people to manage their time, become less independent on their phones in a fun and purposeful way. So by spending time away from their phones, users can grow virtual trees and earn coins, which can then be saved up to plant real trees in Africa. All of these techniques that I mentioned in this video can actually help you study longer. So I don't care what you're doing right now. Take a screenshot of these next 3 slides, go take a printout of them, and then stick it around your room. Trust me, if you follow them, you'll see success. Look, at the end of the day, you need to push yourself to do hard things. Because if not you, then who? Who will change your life? You're not a kid anymore for your parents to start banging you when you don't do the work. Got it? Okay, with all this being said, I'll catch you in the next video.